Hello, I'm Harshla Ghat, Assistant Professor, St. Xavier's College, Goa. Welcome to Bachelor of Science program, subject Botany, Semester 5, course code POC 105, course title Classical Taxonomy and Phylogeny. Title of the unit Systematic Position, Diagnostic Features, and Important Plants of Family. Module name Family Amaranthaceae. Coming to the outline of this module, it provides systematic position of family Amaranthaceae, diagnostic features of family Amaranthaceae, important ornamental, economic, medicinal species of the family Amaranthaceae. Learning outcomes are explains the systematic position of family Amaranthaceae, identifies the plants belonging to family Amaranthaceae, describes the diagnostic features of family Amaranthaceae, lists the ornamental, economic, medicinal species of the family Amaranthaceae. Coming to the systematic position of family, division, Phanerogams, class, Dicotyledons, subclass, Monoclamidae, series, Curvambriae, family Amaranthaceae. The distinguishing diagnostic features of Amaranthaceae are: plants are mostly herbaceous, leaves simple, exstipulate, inflorescence dense or congested, flower with persistent membranous or scarious bracts, perianth green scarious. Stamens opposite the perianth and usually connate filaments. Fruit a nut. Coming to the vegetative features of the family Amaranthaceae. Habit. Plants are mostly annual or perennial herbs, rarely shrubs, very rarely climbing, often with swollen nodes. Here on this slide, you all can see the habit of Tylotus, which represents an annual herb. Leaves alternate or opposite, sometimes aggregated at base in case of Tylotus, petiolate to sessile, simple, entire, stipules are absent. On this slide, you all can see in this image, the leaf are opposite in case of Alternanthera, and in case of Tylotus, you all can see the basally aggregated leaves. Reproductive features: inflorescence, cymose, spike or panicle. On this slide, you all can see inflorescence of Achyranthes aspera, which is a spike, where the flowers are sessile. Flowers bisexual, rarely unisexual, actinomorphic, hypogynous, each subtended by a membranous to scarious persistent bracts and two bracteoles. On this slide, you all can see an open flower of Achyranthes. You all can see the green color perianth lobe, and looking at the flower, you all can make out that the flower has regular symmetry, or flowers are actinomorphic. On this slide, you all can see inflorescence of Achyranthes, which is a spike, wherein the flowers are showing distinct bracts. Perianth with 3 to 5 free or united tepals, usually persistent, which means they do not fall off. Androecium with 5 stamens opposite the tepals, filaments usually connate at base, petaloid, and anthers bithecous in case of Amaranthus, or monothecous in case of Gomphrena. Dehiscence longitudinal. On this slide, you all can see the tepals and the connate filaments of stamens at the base. gynoecium with 2 to 3 carpels united, ovary superior, unilocular, ovules usually 1, rarely many in case of celosia. Placentation basal, style 1 to 3 in number with stigma of same number as that of style and variable in form. It can appear in different forms. Coming to the fruit character, fruit is a circumscissile capsule which is seen in case of species of celosia or more frequently a utricle or nutlet. Seeds lens-shaped with curved or spiral embryo. Endosperm absent. On this slide, you all can see the seeds of Amaranthus species, wherein you all can see the seeds are lens-shaped. In case of fruit of celosia, it is said to be a circumscissile capsule where the fruit ruptures open horizontally to disperse seed. Plants of economic importance, ornamental plants, celosia species commonly referred as coxcomb, then Amaranthus species commonly known as amaranth, Gomphrena species commonly known as globe amaranth, and Irisine species. The plant is referred as blood leaf, and species of Alternanthera are grown as age plant. Here on this slide, you all can see the ornamentally important plant of Irisine, and on the right hand side of the slide, you all can see the flower of Gomphrena. Plants of economic uses, seeds and tender leaves of several species of Amaranthus. You can see here the image of one of the Amaranthus species are edible. Tender shoots of Celosia urgentia are cooked as vegetable. Here you all can see the inflorescence of Celosia urgentia, based on which you all can identify the plant. This plant tender shoots are cooked as vegetable. Plants used in medicine. Achyranthrus aspera possesses medicinal properties and is used in treatment of cough, bronchitis and rheumatism. These are some of the references which I have used for preparing this module. Thank you.